The most expensive defect is the one found after delivery.
The second most expensive? Found during testing.
The cheapest defect is the one never created.
That's the power of embedded quality.
Most teams treat quality as a final checkpoint.
Inspect at the end. Fix what's broken.
But by then, it's already expensive.
Rework, delays, stakeholder frustration.
Embedded quality flips this approach.
It builds quality into the process itself.
Not something you check, something you design.
Because process quality drives output quality.
If the process is flawed, the output will be too.
Now, let's take a moment to redefine what we mean by quality.
You see, true quality is actually not about achieving absolute perfection.
In our context, it simply means that the project output is fit for its intended purpose.
Right standard, right cost, right outcome.
Over-engineering is not quality.
In the world of efficient management, over-engineering is just another form of waste.
So how do we embed quality?
Start early, very early.
Define acceptance criteria before work begins.
Clarify what good looks like.
Then integrate quality into every step.
Not just testing, but planning, execution, and review.
This is called shift-left thinking.
Move quality checks to the beginning.
Catch issues before they grow.
Because early fixes cost less.
And when we say the cost is less, we mean significantly and substantially less.
By shifting our focus, embedded quality drastically reduces the need for expensive rework.
This proactive approach ultimately improves your overall project timelines and delivery speed.
And most importantly, delivering high-quality results consistently increases stakeholder trust.
In the end, quality is not an extra cost. It's a cost-saving strategy.
Catch you in the next one. Stay curious.